sun is falling on New York City.
The price is wrong, bitch.
You remember when Jared left me?
Yes. I just want you to give me a kiss.
It's Arnold here. Such a one as you must use that.
No one has done that to me before.
You disagreeable pig.
I bite my thumbs.
I swear I didn't mean it.
Go away. I hate you.
You like that, old man? You want a piece of me? And I never want to see you again as long as I live!
The Art of Combat New York City Intensive offers students an in-depth workshop in the art of creating and performing choreography with martial intent for stage and screen. Art of Combat is one of the few stage combat companies which emphasizes historical accuracy and focuses on training fight directors. During the day, there are a variety of classes on armed and unarmed martial arts concepts, theory, and application. Then participants learn how to modify those basic skills safely for stage or screen. It's important that the violence looks realistic and dangerous, but it must be safe and replicable for the actors.
It's very intense. I learned so much in reference to how to handle situations on stage and in film, because I'm really from a film background. And the teachers were great, John and Jared. They're the best, and they were very patient with us and helping us fine-tune what we learned. And if I had a chance to do it again, I would do it again.
In the evenings, participants get the opportunity to utilize their skills by rehearsing scenes which are then performed in an off Broadway production at the end of the week.
Most fulfilling part about this was the real world application, having the performance culminating the end of the whole workshop gave it a real practical and usable sense for the entire week and a good focus.
The workshop environment and training schedule throws you into a very realistic, real-world production situation, which is part of the whole learning experience. Throughout the week, you build valuable skills that will aid you in any performance. You will learn how to deal with performance issues like show preparation, etiquette, and performance stress. This workshop will enable you to reach the next level as an actor or fight director.
Jared and Doc and everybody else have just been awesome to work with. It's been fun. I've learned a lot. It's been a really great experience. It's been a hard week, but a good week.
What is unique about this intensive workshop is the close and intimate setting with world-class instructors who give a lot of one-on-one time. The intense week-long supervision will really fast-track your skills and get you headed in the right direction, creating good habits and a solid foundation for future work.
Working with Doc and Jared is always a fulfilling experience. They are the best at what they do.